Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, to the Alan channel. Today, this evening, I'm going to cook chicken with a barbecue sauce. So here I'm ready for preparation. In front of me, I already prepared a half kilograms of chicken wing. Just I already cut already. I separate already from the top and from the bottom of the wings. And here I prepare about 3 cloves of garlic, just a half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of spicy sauce. And here I also have 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. And here also I prepare for 1 tablespoon of lime juice. So the first preparation, I combine or put together the lime juice on the chicken. Put the salt. Sorry, it's kind of sticky. And then I put all together here the garlic powder, thyme, and also the pepper powder. Afterwards, we combine all in the chicken over here. You can use your bare hand or you can use another tools. But more practice, I use my hand over here. But don't forget to often wash your hand. Afterward, we're gonna marinate the chicken is around 15 to 30 minutes. And then the next step, we're gonna squeeze the garlic. I use here the garlic squeezer to make it easy and practice. And it really will be chopped like this. Instead of using the garlic squeezer, you can also just cut with the knife. And then the next step, we prepare the hot pans over here, and then we put oil, vegetable oil. I use here is 1 liter of vegetable oil, and we wait until the oil is getting hot. Well guys, and after the oil is hot and the chicken after marinated for 30 minutes, we put the chicken on the hot pan. I'm gonna cook these wings for about 10 minutes because the chicken wing over here is kind of easy to be cooked. Very fast. And we let the wings over here deep fried in the oil. So all the skin is covered and easier to cook. And we let the wing in the hot water like this one is around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we gonna turn over so the meat is cooked, really cooked upside down. After couple minutes, we check the chicken. If the chicken is getting golden brown, and then we put upside down, let the meat is cooked together and cook up and down. Yes, the chicken already color it changed to brown, golden brown for this. And I gonna let the chicken cook another couple minutes for this. Well guys, after 5 to 10 minutes the chicken is already cooked, and then we drain. After that we gonna transfer to another plate. It's already look nice, isn't it? The same thing, after 5 minutes I upside down to make sure the meat is all cooked inside and outside. And then we let it down like this one and make it steam for another 5 minutes. After I drain all the chicken wings, and then I prepare here with the hot pans, and I put around 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. After the oil is hot, we put the chopped garlic. And let it, the smell is coming out, the good delicious smell. And afterward I put the 100 milliliter of water, and then I put the spicy sauce. It was like 2 tablespoons of spicy sauce. I stir it well, and then afterward I put the barbecue sauce. It was 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and the same thing I gonna stir well from this. That's all combined between the fried garlic, spicy sauce, and also the barbecue sauce. After it's boiled a couple minutes, we're gonna put all the chicken wing over here. I just put all together. And I'm gonna stir all, so make sure all the sauce is covered with the meat. So I'm gonna put it like stay like this one for a couple minutes, and I turn the heat lower. And I'm gonna cover this one for another couple 2 or 3 minutes for this, and let the sauce is absorbed in the meat. Let it still for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, I open up this one and stir it like this, so all the sauce cover. I put more water here because of the sauce will be very delicious, so I put more. And we're gonna eat with the rice as usually the Asian guys like rice much. I turn off the heat and I gonna transfer to the serving plate. For the good presentation here, I put on the top the sesame seed, and it's all done, guys. Here we go, chicken wing with the barbecue sauce. Enjoy, and thank you very much for watching. See you guys.